Hey guys, this is Jay Patel from MyFitMed. Today we'll talk about two FDA approved weight loss medication and we'll do a short comparison between two medications. Phentermine and Semaglutide are the two popular medications for weight loss. Both of them lowers your appetite and help you lose weight. Phentermine is an oral medication, so it's once a day pill, whereas Semaglutide is a sub-Q injection, it's once a week injection. Phentermine is only for short period of time, whereas Semaglutide can be taken for longer time. Phentermine, being a stimulant medication, makes you feel jittery or may affect your mood, whereas Semaglutide is a non-stimulant medication and will not affect your mood. Phentermine will increase your heart rate, will increase your blood pressure, whereas Semaglutide will actually improve your cardiovascular health. Some of the side effects with Semaglutide is heartburn and nausea, but it actually improves your heart health and improves your blood glucose level. Phentermine, being a stimulant medication, your body can get dependent on it. You can get addicted to that, whereas Semaglutide is non-addictive, non-stimulant medication that will not affect your mood or make you feel jittery. If you have any question, give us a call, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.